Hi guys, it is Deirdre here with Minard's Leisure World. Today I'm taking you through a new revamped floor plan from Sporttrek. We have the 301 VTQ. Starting off on the front, we're going to find our huge stabilizing system, lots of buttons in there, your two 30-pound propane tanks, and where your battery is going to be housed. Coming on down here, we have our unobstructed pass-through storage. We are completely unobstructed in there. You do have your tire pressure monitoring system prep right off on the side by your motion light. We have Asdel backing as our fiberglass insulation type Jazz. It is 50% lighter. It is impervious to water, moisture, mildew, all that yucky stuff we are taking care of from Sporttrek here. As we come on down, you're going to notice a very large awning on here. It is a nice 20-foot awning. More ride, sturdy, step above steps, fold up nicely into the unit. Extended grab handle, so if anybody's mobility challenged, we've got you taken care of there. We have our tankless on-demand water heater, our leash latch just on the other side of the door. We have our Lions Head tires, so 5-year warranty on those. The first 12 months, there's no questions asked. Your cable and your TV hookups. We have this entire pull-out, I don't know, I would say it's more of a table type prep area. That, or you either set it up for buffet style, all of your condiments here while you're cooking, all that kind of jazz. As we move into our outside kitchen, we have our flat top griddle, our sink here that is not plumbed in, so stick a bucket underneath if you're using it, and of course our little mini fridge up on the side. There is a bit of a port area. It comes with a portable Bluetooth speaker, and there are some USB charging ports in there as well. Around back here, we have our backup camera prep. We have our ladder that's already mounted in there. And of course, our accessory hitch on here for a bike rack or whatever. It is not a towing hitch. It is only rated to 250 pounds. There are power jacks on here. As I had said at the beginning, there are lots of buttons in here. So retracting and extending if you need to level individually. There are all of your controls directly in there to keep you nice and balanced. All right, you guys, further on driver's side, just before we get to our other side of the pass-through storage, is our docking station. So hot and cold, shower port, your city tank fill, and your black tank flush with a couple extra satellite and cable hookups. Before we pop into the unit, a couple things I wanted to touch on is our Lippert screen defender. So if you bring man's best friend with you, they aren't going to wreck the screen. This is very, very tough. Also, kids are notorious for leaving doors open. They have you taken care of with that, with your screen door. It is actually a slingshot door. So if it's left open, boom, not anymore. Okay, you guys, we are inside the 301 VTQ. Upon entering is your control panel, slides, awning, tank levels, battery levels, same thing I say every time, directly up there. We do get a really large pantry area here with coat hooks even. So all of your campfire smelling clothes can hide in here. Moving a little further into here, we have our entertainment system area. So smart TV, nice Bluetooth sound bar, big electric fireplace. It was on as we were doing the video, so it's quite warm in here, with a little bit of extra storage directly underneath. Over here is our theater seating. So you do get a wireless charging port there, USB plugins on both sides, and they are actually heated. So push of a button, the heat turns on. There's also a couple USB ports in there. Throw your remotes in there so nobody's gonna lose them. Overhead storage up there. As we move in this way, we have our booth dinette, breaks down into another sleeping area. If you need lots of windows here, so lots of natural light, lots of opposing airflow. Storage located underneath of both of them with removable storage bins. Coming into here is our kitchen. So nice, large, sinkable stainless steel sink, residential pull-down faucet, lots of cupboard space up top. As you can see, microwave hood range, 3-burner cooktop, and of course, everybody's favorite bread box. We have our 12-volt refrigerator freezer combo here. Let me open the door for you and show you how much space you get in there. Whoop. And then underneath, you get a nice large drawer either for your pots and pans for cooking or hidden snacks from the kids. Let's go and check out how big these beds are in the bunk room. I am in the bunk room. So in here, it's a little different than other ones. We get 2 full queen size beds. So bigger children, lots of children, adults, anybody that comes and stays with you, there is so much room. You each get your own individual light, your own individual charging ports. There is tons of storage underneath. As well, if there's only one person needing to utilize the space in here, this top bunk does flip up. You get lots of hanging storage in here for whoever's staying, as well as some flat storage down below for folded up pants or baggy sweaters or extra blankets. Kids like to get bored, you know, so sometimes if it's raining out there, kids want to watch TV. We definitely have a place for you to mount a TV with the hookup there up on the top. All right, in the bathroom, we have our porcelain foot flush toilet. Coming up, you might see a little button type thing here. It is our LevelMate Pro. It is an app that you download. It'll check and tell you if your trailer is actually level. Bit of towel rack over there. Second entrance into the bathroom from the master. Your medicine cabinet, your sink, your vanity, and of course, your corner shower. In the master bedroom, nice queen size bed, hanging, located on both sides, upper head storage for his and hers, so lots of room up there. Little hidden cubbies around the back, so glasses, a glass of water, whatever. Lots of room to hide it in there. USB plugs on this side, 110 on both sides. We do have our TV location directly above my head with all of your plugins. There's also storage located underneath of the bed. It'll give you lots of space in there. Something really cool about this is our front window here. So you get the blackout roller blinds that cover it. If you need that little bit of extra daylight to wake your spouse up, that thing easily pops up and gives you that extra light. Over here is your second entrance into the bathroom. So anybody gets up in the middle of the night, needs to do their duty, there you go. All right, you guys, thank you for joining me on the walkthrough of Sporttrek's new revamped floor plan, the 301 VTQ. This unit is coming in at 36 foot 3 inches and 7,500 pounds dry. One thing you'll notice is the ridiculous amount of headspace. I am vertically challenged, but other folk are not, and they still have tons of headroom. If you have any other questions in regard to this unit or anything else we may have on our lot, please visit us at minarsleisureworld.com.